How can I connect to a web server running in a VM when the VM is in NAT mode? I've got a development web server on an Ubuntu box inside of VMware Workstation 7.1.3. I'd like to run a web browser on a Windows machine, the host OS, for actually testing a web page I'm working on. Hard to run e-tests in Ubuntu Smile. However, if I simply try to ping the IP given to the Ubuntu VM, 192.168.83.137, or open it in my browser for that matter, it seems the host cannot communicate with the guest. How do I allow the guest OS to communicate with the host when the guest is running in NAT mode?
I have this configuration working in my computer. Host, Windows 7. VMware, OpenSUSE 11.x using NAT. If I run ifconfig on Linux, I have this IP, 192.168.126.129. In the host I have adpattervnet 8, 192.168.126.1. I opened in the browser the URL, this URL, and it opened the Apache It Works page. If this doesn't work, check the firewalls and / or if Apache is listening at 192.168.126.xxx.
You will need to set up port forwarding to the guest machine. On the NAT tab in Virtual Network Editor, click Edit in GT, Port Forwarding. From here you can configure which ports are forwarded from the host machine to the VM. For example, forwarding host port 8080 to the VM 192.168.83.137 to 80 should allow you to access the web server on the VM by going to this URL on the host machine. For further information, refer to the VMware NAT documentation or the following article.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.